How to fix Corsair Cove is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go back to your library, right click on the game and open the properties. In the launch options you want to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Once everything is validated, you can close Steam, and then you will need to open up your browser and navigate to this Microsoft link, which you can find below in the video description. And from here, you will need to download and install the redistributables, these two right here, the 86 and the 64. Once you're done, this will prompt you to restart your PC, so make sure to do that. Next, you want to update your GPU driver. So if you're running NVIDIA GPU on your computer, you will need this NVIDIA app installed. Then you want to go to drivers and check for the latest driver updates and make sure to download and install them. If you have an AMD, you will need the AMD software installed. Next, you'll need to run Steam as admin, right click and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. This should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you on the next one.